Hi, I am Dylan Flores, coming to you from inside the youth van, heading to SSB. Coming at you live, I am having an interview with our pal here, Weston, playing on his phone. Is there anything you like about the trip to SSB?
Yeah.
What is it?
Trevor.
Oh, that's good. Okay, is there anything highlights that you like about this trip?
Well, I once highlighted something.
That's a good answer, good answer. What do you think about the long ride?
Well, we got a van from the 80s, so we should be good.
Well, that works.
Like 60s.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That in the corner, that was Hunter, I think. Yeah, right? All right, good. Over here is my good man, Trevor. Is there anything you like about your ride, even though you're snuggling?
Yeah,
What is it?
snuggling.
He likes to snuggle. Well, folks, this is me coming from you, from the youth van heading to SSB.
I'm worried about getting my clothes all wet and not being able to wear them again.
Black horse, there's no way.
Something to... Oh my God. Wait till they stop.
Watch out at the head.
Here we go, scoring by jump. Ready?
Oh my God, no!
Take your shirt off.
I can't do both of these.